Hi, and welcome to the installation tutorial of your new hydroflex washer. The hydroflex is a 96-well plate strip washer that is ideal for cell washing and Elisas. You will have one of several different options that are available. For example, you may have additional input channels, liquid level detection, low-level vacuum filtration, or separation of magnetic beads. The hydroflex comes in a box like this. Be sure to check for any damage upon arrival. Carefully remove the device from its packaging. The accessory package includes relevant product documentation, the power cable, manifold screws and cleaning needles, a USB stick, the USB cable, an Allen key, solution tubes, liquid and waste bottles. The packing list might differ depending on your instrument. If you think that anything is damaged, please refer to our help desk. Connect the numbered inlet tubes to the corresponding channels and liquid bottles. Connect the waste tubing to the channels and the waste bottle. Always store all the bottles at the same level as the instrument. If the instrument has liquid level detection, connect it here. Connect the power cable to the main socket and turn on the instrument. Let's show you how to begin operating the instrument. Before starting a program, we need to prime the channels with distilled water or the buffer that is used. Please prime each channel you plan to use in a wash program. Make sure that you always reprime your channels when you switch between buffers. This is performed automatically as soon as two different buffers are used within a wash program. Use the arrows and plus and minus to navigate through the program and OK for confirmation. Select and confirm the prime procedure. Define a volume or duration time and select the required channel. Confirm that the priming solution is in the bottle and that the waste bottle is empty. After confirmation, the priming procedure starts. During priming, the system is filled with liquid and air bubbles are removed from the tubes. Please double check in your manual as it tells you when you need to prime your instrument. After priming, you're now ready to start the washing procedure. You'll find detailed information on how to define a wash program in the instructions for use. For this demonstration, we will use a predefined program. To start the process, enter the program menu with OK. Confirm Start and select the program Run. Click Yes if you have already primed the selected channel, and remember to check the level of the waste bottle. Check if the plate is in the correct position. Make sure you have defined the plate you are using in the Settings menu. You can find detailed information on how to define plate parameters in the instructions for use. The instrument automatically recognizes the manifold type and enables strip selection pressing CHG. Select the required strips using the cursor keys. Press OK to start the wash program. Every wash program starts with a short prime step to flush the needles with wash buffer. The selected plate range of the last started program is remembered. The instrument will then follow the defined program procedure. If you need further help, please find detailed instructions in the manual. And please, do not hesitate to refer to our help desk experts.